really needs to be looked at. When I left, I'm an accidental politician. I was very happy to be an anchor, journalist. I'm a trained technical person for television. I did my film and television production course. But it's exactly for these reasons that I joined politics, because Anna movement transformed in a way to Aam Aadmi Party. But when I saw from within that all the principles that we claim to espouse were all being flouted, I left that. And after 9 months of just watching the Modi government and watching how bureaucrats are behaving, how the ministers are being chosen, noticing there's not a single scam, and a very stern eye is really there watching everybody, I felt either I can just relinquish politics or make the best choice. And I saw different parties, and I saw the agenda, and I saw Narendra Modi ji, the tallest leader, not for any other reason, but that he stands for something, that the party has values, whether it's nationalism or the genuine desire to fight corruption. I'm not saying that everybody in BJP will suddenly transform, but at least as a leader, I found him far better than either Manmohan Singh or Rahul Gandhi or Mulayam Singh Yadav and what have you. Which is why I said, let's choose the best that we have and work with it, instead of just getting out of it and leaving the ground for others who will not even put internal pressure if there is something not savory happening, a political platform at all. I would advise everybody to get into politics. Choose any party you want, but go make a difference. My friends tell me they have a problem with BJP. I said, which party do you like? They say they like Congress or whatever. I said, go join it. Because I know you're good. I know you can make a difference. So go join different parties and make a difference from within. It's needed in every party. So go out there and do it.